Welcome back. I mean, I don't know what you were doing in the meantime, but I've just sat here and pressed record again from the last video. You may have got up and had a cup of tea. You may have driven the children to school. I don't know, but I'm still here. Welcome back. So, questions about multiple offers. If you are in a situation where the sales agent in Queensland has said submit all offers by 5 o'clock on the 17th, and there's more than one offer that's been submitted, so it's not just you. You've got your offer, you've placed it in the hands of the sales agent by any means possible. And if there's more than one person that has placed an offer on that home, the sales agent must advise you of this and let you know you are not the only person that wants this house. You're not the only offer we've received, and you're not the only people we are negotiating with. They have to give you a form stating that, and you must sign that form and return it to them to show them that you understand and you acknowledge that you're not the only person making an offer on this house, and you're not the only person who may be in negotiations about purchasing the home. Just recognize that. Let me see what I've written here so I can just catch up. Sorry. In today's Brisbane property market and many others around the country, many buyers are suffering from a fear of missing out, being scared the market is running away from them. A smart real estate agent will say something like, "We have multiple interested buyers." It means nothing. There is no evidence to say that there are offers on the table. Multiple interested buyers. It's not illegal. Building rapport with the selling agent is crucial, but it's equally important to gather key information to make informed decisions. All right. So if they say they've got multiple offers, it's likely the home will be sold quickly. And so you need to ask questions about that. How many offers have you received? Are they in writing? If an offer's been made, what are the conditions associated with that offer? So how many offers were received? We've received 4 offers. Okay, good. So is the seller interested in any of them? Has any of those offers met the seller's mark? One has, yeah. Okay. Is that mine or is that someone else's? That was someone else's. Okay, great. So tell me what I need to do so that I can make my offer more attractive. I'd be really grateful. If you set up a relationship with this sales agent, they're likely to sit down and say, okay, let me help you out here. I can give you a hint. Maybe the other offers, and maybe when they're walking through the open home, they upset the sales agent in some way, shape, or form. I don't know. But that's why it's important to just have everything all culminating together to have a good relationship with the sales agent in case it comes down to it. All right. Questions about multiple offers. There you go. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.